Hello friends, my name is Sulabh. I am the cybersecurity expert. So today we are going to talk about what is TCP and UDP transport protocol and what is the difference between TCP and UDP and what is three-way handshake in TCP protocol. This is most frequently asked question during all the cybersecurity interviews. So I am going to create the full playlist of all the cybersecurity interview questions. So you can subscribe our channel SEM Expert and you can click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload new videos in YouTube, you will get the notification. Also, in case if you are the beginner and want to start your career in cybersecurity, or you're already working in some other field and you are not happy with your job role or exposure, you can switch your career to cybersecurity, which is high paying and high demanding nowadays. Or you are already working in cybersecurity and want to become the expert in the SIEM technologies and SOC technologies, you can join SIEM Expert for more detailed training on SIEM as well as SOC technologies. So let's understand about transfer protocol TCP and UDP. So both TCP and UDP are the transfer protocol which carries the data from source to destination and destination to source. We know that in digital communication happen in the form of packet, right? So TCP and UDP both are transfer protocol which bring the packet from client to server and back from server to client. Let's understand this. Let's compare this with the physical protocol, physical transportation, right? Let's say you have to send a letter from Bangalore to Mumbai, right? What will you do? You will get a letter, you will write a letter and put inside the envelope, right? In the envelope, you will write the address from where this letter has come and where the letter has to go, right? Address and letter inside the envelope, right? Then you will send it through courier or you will send it through post office, right? Post office people will send it to through the transportation like flight, roadways or trains, right? Similarly, so here in the physical transportation, your flight, your train, your roadways are actually the transport, right? Who carries the data, who carries your envelope and letter from source to destination. Here those are transport protocol, which are trains, flight and your roadways are the transport protocol. Similarly, here in the digital communication, we know that data transfer happens in the form of packets, right? Packets are having two parts. One is header and another is data. Like envelope, we write source and destination information, right? That means from where the letter has come, where the letter has to go. Similarly, in the header contains the control information like from where the packet has come and where the packet has to go. That means source information and destination information. Source IP, destination IP, source port and destination port, so on, right? So header will contains the control information that is equal to the envelope in physical communication. Data packet contains the actual data that you are requesting and back what data you have requested, it will be delivered to the client, right? Similarly, in your physical, it's inside the envelope, there is a letter, right? So letter contains the actual information that you are sending and envelope contain the source and destination information, which is the header. So in digital communication happen in the form of packet. So transportation, which are flight and trains and roadways in the physical communication. Similarly, in digital communication, who carries this packet from source to destination, from client to server is transport protocol. So TCP and UDP are the transfer protocol which brings the data packet from source to destination. So there are two types of transport protocol, TCP and UDP, right? So these are used to carry the data from source to destination and back from destinations to source. Now let's understand what is the difference if these two are both are transport protocol. Let me physical communication. Let's say the roadways, flight and trains all are transport protocol, right? So what is there must be some difference, like flight is faster, roadways is slower and train is faster compared to the road. Now let's understand what is the difference between TCP and UDP protocols. So first and foremost difference is TCP is the connection oriented protocol while UDP is the connection less protocol. That means before the actual communication happens, TCP establishes the connection between the client to server. This is the client and this is server. So before the actual communication happens, TCP establishes the connection between the client to server to ensure that whatever being sent to the server by the client, server is able to receive, and what is being sent by the server to the client is able to receive. This is to ensure that. So ensure the actual guaranteed delivery of the data, it establishes the connection before the actual communication happens. So this is actually called as three-way handshake. So this is again most frequently asked question, what is three-way handshake in TCP protocol? So three-way handshake is nothing but the method of stabilizing the connection in TCP using TCP is called as three-way handshake. So three-way handshake means first client will send the SYN message to the server. First client will send a SYN message to the server, and client will wait for a stipulated time to get the acknowledge. Once the acknowledge will be back by the server to the client, that acknowledge called as SYN-ACK. Once the SYN-ACK comes back to the client will understand that whatever I'm sending to the server is able to receive that. Then after sending the SYN-ACK packet, server will also wait for a stipulated time to get the acknowledge. Once the acknowledge comes, server will also understand that whatever I'm sending by the server, client is able to receive that. That method is called as three-way handshake in TCP. So three-way handshake is nothing but the method of stabilizing the connection or connection in TCP is called as three-way handshake. Once the three-way handshake, this connection has been established, then the actual data transfer will happen on TCP. So that's the reason we call as TCP is the connection oriented protocol, while UDP is the connection oriented or connection less protocol. So UDP is connection less protocol. It does not establish the connection directly. It starts sending the packet. It starts sending the data. Do not bother about whether the data is being received by the server or not. Whatever I'm going to send to the server is able to receive, or whatever server is sending, I'm able to receive, client is able to receive or not. It do not bother about that. That's the reason UDP is the connection less protocol, while TCP is the connection oriented protocol, right? So that means missing of the words. If any word miss on the full sentence, that means there might be possible that meaning of the sentence will be different, will be changed, will be modified, right? So you don't want that. That's the reason for all text-based communication we use TCP protocol, so that data should reach to the destination with full integrity without any packet loss. While UDP we use for mostly video communication for live streaming, like you do the Facebook live, you do YouTube live, like that, right? So you don't want slower experience. You want that in live session, you want that you should have the live experience without any buffering. It's, let's say you are seeing anything live. If I'm turning my head like this and like this, my head is stuck. Buffering start. Do you like this kind of experience? No, right? You want this should happen promptly, immediately, right? So in case I'm turning my head here in the live session, in between the packet loss happen, you will not be able to recognize also. You understand that my head is like this, head will come like this only. In between, in packet loss, you will not feel any issues in your practical experience and live experience. So that's the reason. So UDP we use for all live streaming, video streaming, while TCP we use for text-based communication. So this was about the TCP and UDP. Thank you everyone for joining this session.